camera caught a careless driver simply running a red light, like it's nothing to it. Please guys, no matter what you do, avoid behaving like this driver here.
That car just about went through. What are they doing?
Pay close attention at the student driver in front of the camera here. He made an epic fail as he wanted to make a left turn from a no-turn lane and he nearly caused an accident. In this situation, the camera caught a fail landing of an airplane. As the airplane was just to go down, the pilot suddenly decided to move up in the air again. It's not so often you see something like this. Ladies and gentlemen, if you ever wondered how to make a proper U-turn, take a closer look at this clip right here and try your best not to repeat the action of this driver. There are rules and regulations as to how every driver is supposed to behave on the road. You can't just change lanes as you please, especially like this driver here, who doesn't use his indicator or look at his side view mirrors at all. Make sure to keep a safe distance between you and other drivers, because of situations like this. One driver was speeding down the road, thinking that he could get away with his bad behavior. Unfortunately for him, a karma cop was in the hiding, and he made sure to pull him over and teach him a nice lesson about respect. Make sure to stay tuned for this one, and write me down your opinion about it as well. Some drivers really have issues when it comes to changing lanes, safely of course. Pay close attention at these two instances here, as both drivers didn't bother looking at their side view mirrors when it mattered the most. Don't be like these guys, and try your best to be more careful and more attentive of your surroundings. And with this video, we conclude another amazing episode on Dashcam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and maybe learning a thing or two based on how to properly behave in traffic. After all, that's the purpose of this channel. If you truly support my work, don't hesitate to leave a like because that will mean the world to us. And also, while you're at it, please subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. Until the next episode, drive safe and take care guys.